like your mom, even at her biggest, didn't you?
Get off me, you little gay pervert.
I'm not pervert. No, I'm
Just
not
stop
gay.
doing it then. Stop doing that. Get away from me. You're crazy.
You're crazy.
You're crazy, girl.
What I was trying to do, I guess that's what this whole documentary came from. And what did you learn? Well,
I'm long
I
stick.
wasn't really angry with you at all.
What?
I was just scared.
I'm chew up a tooth.
Angry at you.
Good, I don't care.
Scared of what?
Paper's made of rat doo-doo
Lots
and
of
trees.
things.
Yes, it is. Because you know what's in trees? Rats and bats. You know where bats put their poop on the tree.
You would get sick of
Eat it if you want to.
time it.
Eat it.
Clean anyway.
I guess I never saw it for you.
Relax.
I am so glad I did this project. I mean, this whole time I've been so worried about how your weight affected me. I hadn't even thought about how it affected you.
You can eat it.
And how big of a deal it was that you kept it off. It was difficult. It still is. So why are you learning how to go through it? You've been there.
I said get off of me! Stop it! Why are you worrying about life?
Get off me.
Get off of me!
Get away! Brooke, stop! Brooke, stop! What's wrong with you? Brooke, what's wrong with you, girl?
Don't videotape me!
Never forget it.
Stop, Brooklyn. Stop it.
Maybe I'm wrong.
Stop it, girl.
Just because other people think you should be.
God, you're crazy.
Cop out.
Crazy.
You are the craziest motherfucker.
I'm asking you to parent him. If he grows up and starts his own bad habits, that's fine. But don't teach him yours. It's not fair. Okay, here's what I think. I'm your mother, and I owe you a safe home. And that means taking care of my health and Adam's. But beyond where my weight affects my health, you need to show me more respect. I'm a grown woman. I don't need my daughter counting my calories. It's insulting. Deal? Deal. Good. And I'm still not drinking your breakfast chicken Coke. I don't have to. Outside. Concept?
Move. Move, girl. Put that down. Or I'm going to tell Mom.
Project.
Put it down.
I think that's a mistake.
Put it down. Brooklyn, you better put that down.
Exposure, if you want. Lots of people would see it. Yeah, but it's
Move.
the problem. It's not right. The
Move.
way people treat me sometimes. Most times. Why should I hide that when I'm not the one doing anything wrong?